is the turn of indigenous mean machine, the nimble fighter of our own, Tejas, to mesmerize you. On behalf of Team Tejas, I proudly present to you the thrilling, ever-scintillating and heart-stopping air display of the indigenous light combat aircraft, Tejas. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, do not sit back and move to the edge of your seats as I request you to witness and enjoy as Group Captain Manish Tolani, nicknamed Tolly, the commanding officer of 18 Squadron D Flying Bullets, takes to the skies with a thunderous roar and makes your heart soar.
हाँ यही रास्ता है तेरा तूने अब जाना है.
Ladies and gentlemen, as Tolly has started rolling for his first maneuver, that is pull-up takeoff, he's begun his roll in his stead, and here he leaves his tower firma, taking the load of 8 tons strapped on his back with 9 tons of thrust provided by reliable GE404 engine. Humbling the gravity and making his way into the blue skies. The Tejas is now ready for its next maneuver, which is a loop from right to left. Ladies and gentlemen, Tolly has inverted his aircraft and now he's going to position for a loop of a downward roll. You can keep a glance to your right. He'll emerge from your right to left, positioning for the loop. Ladies and gentlemen, look to your right as Tolly appears in our visual bubble for our next maneuver loop. Here he picks up for the loop.
खतरों से हंस के खेलना इतनी तो हमें हिम्मत है.
मोड़े कलाई मौत की इतनी तो हमें ताकत है.
हम सरहदों के पास
On his way down, without wasting any extra space, Tolly will position himself for maximum rate turn. As she dives down, she spots a bandit and enters into aerial combat of 1 versus 1, utilizing its maximum rate of turn at a steady rate of 6G. Ladies and gentlemen, the turn speaks volumes about the potential Tejas retains.
पर लेकर अब देखो दम लेंगे हम जाके अपनी मंजिल पर.
The turn performance is attributed to its aerodynamics and its engine, and not forgetting the high fitness levels of the pilot to withstand such stress on his body. As she socially distances herself from all of us, let me remind you of the decades of effort which has gone into making this program a success. The next maneuver is a negative G turn. Please look front, ladies and gentlemen, as Tolly prepares to push his aircraft into a negative G. Here he commences the turn.
खतरों से हंस के खेलना इतनी तो हमें हिम्मत है.
मोड़े कलाई मौत की इतनी.
The negative G turn shows the versatility of the aircraft's fuel system. Let me mention to you, ladies and gentlemen, that this maneuver can only be performed by only a few handful of aircraft of fighter class in the world. The next maneuver in the menu of the treat for your eyes would be a loop from 12 o'clock position of this gathering, in case you missed it for the first time. Ladies and gentlemen, please look ahead as Tolly pulls up into the sky for a loop in front of us.
जैसा कोई नहीं है. हंसी नहीं सौ दिन दुनिया घुमा है. नहीं कहे तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं. मैं गाया जहां भी बस तेरी याद थी. जो मेरे साथ मुझको
After the loop, the next turn is minimum radius of turn. Watch her go as she executes the turn with a tiny radius of few hundred meters. Ladies and gentlemen, I am sure you would agree with me that this nimble machine can give a stiff competition to the star of the occasion, our Rafale in this regard. Having shown its minimum turning radius, the Tejas will now display its low speed characteristics and the successful flight control laws, which are indigenously developed and mark an important milestone in our aviation industry. Please look to half left 11 o'clock and see as Tejas knocks off its speed and flies at a speed of 120 nautical miles per hour in front of us. Having engaged the afterburners of the powerful G404 engine, the aircraft is rapidly climbing out and positioning for next maneuver of a downward half roll. Ladies and gentlemen, the next maneuver would be a series of high-speed rolls from your right to left and would mark the finale of the Tejas display.